Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the two official public notices released by the University Grants Commissions. So both these two notices we will see in this video, guys. And while coming to the first notice, it is released on 10th August 2021. And the subject of this one is invitation to join national webinar on research, innovation and ranking on 11th August 2021, morning 10:30 as a part of 1 year celebration of National Education Policy 2020. Fine. So I hope by looking at the subject itself, you can understand what this national webinar is going to be. And today itself, the webinar, because today is 11th August and at morning 10:30, and how to access this webinar link. Okay, all these things are kept in this PDF, and I will provide this PDF link also in the description box of this video. And this webinar, I think it will be the most important to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. But because in our UGC NET exam, as a part of the paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, the 10th unit is the higher education system. So this time there are a lot of chances are there to get the questions from this NEP, National Education Policy 2020, under the unit of higher education system, that is 10th unit in the paper 1. Okay. So please once have a look on this webinar, guys, and whatever the points you are getting, so note down those points. Fine. So I think it will be helpful to the UGC NET preparing candidates, especially for the paper 1 10th unit, guys. And coming to the body of this notice, Ministry of Education is organizing the national webinar on research, innovation and ranking on 11th August morning 10:30. So Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, Honorable Minister of State for Education and External Affairs, Government of India, will be the chief guest for the program, while Professor K. Vijayaraghavan, Principal Scientific Advisor, Government of India, will be the guest of honor. Okay. And I take this opportunity to cordially invite you along with students, faculty and other stakeholders of your esteemed institutions for joining the webinar and gain valuable insights from the experts. So on behalf of University Grants Commission, through my channel, I am also announcing this one. So as max as possible, if you are a student, if you are a faculty, if you are a stakeholder, any other, okay, so please participate in this one to get the views from the experts, guys. And the program can be joined live via the activity name is National Webinar on Research, Innovation and Ranking as a part of the 1 year celebration of National Education Policy 2020. So date 11th August 2021 morning 10:30, that is on Wednesday. And coming to the duration, 10:30 to afternoon 1:30. Join 10 minutes prior to the session on the YouTube. Mode of activity is online via YouTube, and where to watch. Here the links are provided. So this link as well as alternative direct link is also provided here. So even though if you miss the online, or else if you don't have the time to sit in this national webinar through online in the YouTube from morning 10:30 to afternoon 1:30 today, you can watch the recorded one also, because that will be in the YouTube channel itself. Fine. And yeah, so it is a poster, guys, celebrating 1 year of National Education Policy 2020. So national webinar on keynote address by Dr. K. Vijayaraghavan and inaugural address Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, and the panel discussions. So the panel discussion, first one, ensuring excellence and relevance in research. Okay, Professor Rajat Muna, Director IIT Bhilai. And while coming to, few more professors are also there here. Okay, you may check down. So Dr. K. Radhakrishnan and Govindan as well as the Bhaskar. Fine. So IIT as well as here also ISA Bangalore and here the IIT Madras. And coming to the panel discussions too, building innovation and entrepreneurial ecosystem. So moderator, and here the whoever the speakers are, Mr. Deepak Bagla and Anita Gupta and Yashraj Bharadwaj. And coming to the panel discussion 3, strategy for higher education institutions for excelling in global ranking. So Professor V. Ram Gopal Rao and Ashwin and Rajkumar. Fine. So these are it is the poster guides, and dates as well as the time is also mentioned here. And you can check down here. So on what time what will happens here. Okay, the clear cut schedule 10:30 to 10:33, and what's happening. Okay, inaugural session up to 11:15. And panel discussions. So panel discussion 1 starts from 11:15 to 11:55, and panel discussion 2 11:55 to 12:35, and panel discussion 3 12:35 to 1:15, and the valedictory session is from 1:15 to 1:30. Fine. So total these are the schedule regarding this national webinar, guys. So I'm requesting all the interested candidates and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, so all of you participate in this one. And coming to the next notice. Okay, next notice is that it released on 9th August 2021. So this notice is for the candidates who enrolled the subjects in the Swayam. Okay, so all students, working professionals, lifelong learners who have enrolled for non-technology undergraduate or postgraduate MOOC courses on Swayam platform for the January to April 2021 semester are requested to register for the examination. Okay, so here the website link is also provided, and the last date for Swayam examination registration is 12th August 2021. And please ensure that you do not select the same date and time slot for more than one courses. Also read the Swayam examination guidelines very carefully before registering for the exam. And the Swayam examination will be held on 28th and 29th August 2021. And the Procort examination will be conducted by the National Testing Agency at designated examination centers throughout the country. Fine. So here the Swayam examinations are also conducted by the National Testing Agency. Okay, so you may check down in its official website also. So whoever the candidates are enrolled for the subjects already, so please register for the examination, and the last date for the registration is 12th August, and the examination dates on 28th and 29th August 2021. Fine. So both these are the two notices, guys. So one is regarding the Swayam examination registration, and another one is on the joining to the national webinar on research, innovation and ranking. Right? So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, and make them everybody participate in this national webinar. Fine. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So all the interested candidates may listen to that one, or else you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the Plus subscription and second one is the Iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the Plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the Plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the Plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month, 2,900, and for 3 months, 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.